Insurance agents want to ensure a bill aimed at limiting lawsuits against insurers doesn't force them to hire lawyers.
Sabrina Wilson explains why they're concerned and how it can impact customers.
Even with the hurricane season underway, state lawmakers consider ways to bring down high property insurance rates. But a bill that's nearly through the legislative process has insurance agents concerned about how they could be impacted legally.
People have a tendency to sign whatever you put in front of them, and they might not be listening. And my fear is the trend right now is to buy policy over the phone. So where does this come back to bite you? Because at that point, now I'm dealing with a lawyer for having a customer not understand what he signed.
The already House-approved HB 379 awaits consideration by the full Senate. It would allow insurance companies to offer property owners an arbitration-only policy that would bar them from suing the insurer. In exchange, property owners would get a discount.
We are generally supportive of the bill. It's offering a new option for policyholders.
Still, a group representing insurance agents voiced concerns
about potential new liabilities for agents, especially regarding the signed form and all those things. We're concerned that this could lead to lots of litigation against agents.
I sat down with veteran insurance agent Dan Burkhart on those concerns.
So there's got to be some type of situation that somebody comes up with that solidifies the understanding and goes through maybe a notary. So you might need an attorney to make sure you don't need an attorney later.
One senator brought up the need to make sure insurance providers are up on new laws through continuing education.
To make sure that those providers are given that information to where that policy owner can make the proper decision.
Claim experience over this last storm has been very, very negative. So people will probably be reluctant to sign anything that eliminates legal counsel.
Still, Burkhart says discounts tied to arbitration-only policies need to be clear.
My first concern is, how much is this discount going to earn before he signs?
12 insurance companies failed after hurricanes Laura and Ida hit Louisiana. I asked Dan Burkhart if he thinks insurance companies operating in the state now are prepared for this hurricane season.
Yeah, I feel very, very, very comfortable that that companies that are in place are ready to handle whatever we hit with.
The representative of Independent Insurance Agents of Louisiana told state lawmakers they'd love to see the bill amended so that it gives a safe harbor for insurance agents.